Also, a question I ask myself quite often is just, okay, could I take anything away from this and still have a, could I have it made into 3 panels instead of 4, and would it still be standing? How can I minimize the amount of components? How can I minimize the amount of joints? I would say my design language is quite minimal and honest. I don't like to hide anything. Also, in some projects, I like to have a bit of a playful sort of childish approach or childlike approach, and playing with scale and proportion, because my work is very much down to proportions to make sure that it actually looks pleasing. I like all this standard off-the-shelf hardware you can get with threaded inserts, and it started off with just a bolt completely inserted in a slot and screwed together with the Allen key. The design process is always back and forth. It's not like you start here and then you finish with a final product. You go back and pick up some of the first or initial ideas you did. I think it's important to set yourself sort of a rule set, because it's almost like a little script that you have to follow to get to the sort of perfect result. By the end of these classes, you'll be able to use the machine as I do as a designer, where I use it throughout the process from beginning concept stage all the way down to the final product.